Hi guys, I spotted some New Balance Kawaii 4s here in Lucky Chinatown Mall in Binondo, Manila. And the good news is they are now discounted. And I read some good reviews about this shoe. And the upper and the traction are on point. So if you're interested to buy this shoe, from being 16,795 pesos, it's now down to only 8,397. What a good deal. This shoe is made of top quality materials and it can last several years of usage. So it's a good investment for your money. And they have several other colorways here. If you're near the area or if you have plans to visit Binondo with your friends or loved ones for a food trip, be sure to check out Lucky Chinatown Mall because they have lots of boutiques here. And one of which is the Planet Sports, where I saw these shoes. Looking at the outsole alone, you can tell that this shoe is made for both indoor and outdoor basketball. There, they also have the Fresh Foam BB V2, another bestseller. It's also discounted and it has also great reviews. Both models will surely add another layer of durability and performance to your hoop shoe rotation. So make sure to consider buying New Balance Kicks because it's made of great quality materials and technology. So see you guys in the next video.